The IEEE Industry Relations Platform is developed with the long-term goal of enhancing IEEE's engagements with the industry. This initiative is conducted by a combination of volunteers and software developers with the support of IEEE staff and IEEE Industry Engagement Committee. The IEEE New Initiatives Committee is financially supporting the project, whereas the technical support is given by IEEE IT. IEEE volunteers organize many projects throughout the year in collaboration with industry. However, due to the nature of IEEE, committees last for a limited number of years, around 1 or 2 years. Therefore, long-term industry partnerships have been challenging for IEEE, and that results in weak and ad hoc relationships with the industry. The industry engagement guidelines list a few best practices, such as a bird's eye view of partnerships, easily identify past engagements, and reducing conflicts in situations such as different volunteer groups approaching the same company for sponsorships. However, there are no tools or platforms that is addressing these requirements in IEEE. The IRP is developed to fill this void. The IEEE Industry Relations Platform is a centralized web application for IEEE organizational units, in short OUs, and committee members to manage all aspects of their partnerships, contacts, and related activities. In other words, it is a customer relationship management tool for IEEE OUs. One of the top 3 recommendations finalized at the IEEE Sections Congress 2020 also includes the same goal and has acknowledged the IEEE IRP effort. IRP has 2 main components, the IRP portal and the public web. The portal is where volunteers add details about the industry partnerships, and the public web is the public-facing website that promotes IEEE industry collaborations using the information added in the portal. Let's look at the portal first. It is accessible through irp-portal.ieee.org. You can log in using your IEEE account username and password. There are several user levels with different privileges in IRP. The OU admin is the administrator of the IRP for that OU. For example, the OU admin of Region 3 can be the Region 3 Industry Coordinator. The OU admin can view and manage all the projects conducted within the OU. OU admins can appoint project managers to maintain details about particular projects. This allows project managers edit access to the assigned projects. The observer can view the same projects as the OU admin but do not have edit access. For example, the Region 3 director can be an observer so that he or she can see what is going on within the region. There can be multiple OU admins, project managers, and observers based on the requirement. The view you are seeing right now is the OU admin dashboard. The OU admins can see all the projects happening within the OU. It allows you to view and edit details about individual projects. Several details such as partnerships, volunteers involved, related documents, and project logs can be captured through this project view. You can also zoom into partnerships for more partnership-specific details. In here, you can keep track of points of contacts in IEEE as well as the partnering company, store partnership-specific documents such as MOUs, and also record partnership logs. Now let's look at the second major component of IRP, the public website. It is accessible through irp.ieee.org. The public web, as the name suggests, is the public-facing web of the IRP. This is populated automatically using some of the data entered in the portal. The public web allows visitors to see projects conducted by IEEE volunteers all over the world. This gives visibility to the work IEEE OUs do in collaboration with the industry, and also gives recognition to the industry partners who contribute significantly to the success of those projects. We will go into more details of both IRP portal and public web capabilities in the other set of videos included in the user guide. IRP is already integrated with some of the IEEE IT infrastructure. The IRP portal uses the IEEE single sign-on, which means that you can log into the portal using your IEEE account username and password. The data of organizational units, such as the geographical data and officer information, are synced with vTools, officer reporting, and OU Analytics. Also, the platforms are hosted in IEEE AWS infrastructure so that they comply with all the technical and security requirements. As of now, IEEE IRP is a pilot conducted in IEEE Region 3 and IEEE Sri Lanka section. We expect to gather feedback and develop a roadmap to integrate IRP with vTools and other related platforms in the future. So we more than value your feedback to make IRP a tool that does much more than just recording information in the future. You can reach us at irp@ieee.org.